While she waits, she holds her breath and thinks about things he said. It's a modern song she knows, but not no matter how it goes. And everything she said she would fall for, she goes on to no one will know. Something had to give to stop this thing from going on. Sick of his lies. She suffered here for far too many years of her life. And feeling low, scared at his head.